Good afternoon. Mao din ni sumpay sa report sa Group 5, Interpretation of Sensory Results and Statistical Analysis. Statistical Quality Control, or the SQC, is the term used to describe the set of statistical tools used by quality professionals. SQC employs statistical principles and methods which have been developed to assist the magnitude and chance cost variation and to detect assignable cost variation. It indicates the limits beyond which this variation in the product should not go without correction. SQC encompasses three broad categories: descriptive statistics, for example, the mean, the standard deviation, and the range; statistical process control, or the SPC. Quality characteristics are measured and charted, helpful in identifying in-process variation. Acceptance sampling used to randomly inspect a batch of goods to determine accepted or rejected does not help to catch in-process problems. Source of variation. Variation exists in all processes. Variation can be categorized as common or random cause of variation, or random cause that we cannot identify, or unavoidable. For example, slight difference in process, variables like diameter, weight, service time, and the temperature. Assignable cost variation. Costs can be identified and eliminated. For example, poor employee training, worn tool, and the machine needing repair. Traditional statistical tool. Descriptive statistics include measures like mean or the average, range or the data spread, standard deviation or the spread around the mean, and information about the data distribution shape, such as normal, bell shape, or skewed. Distribution of data. Statistical process control, or the SPC. This is a quality control method used to monitor, control, and improve processes over time by analyzing data and identifying patterns or variation. Its primary purpose is to ensure that the processes operate efficiently, produce high quality products, and meet consumers' satisfaction. SPC denied. All processes are affected by multiple factors, and therefore SPC can be applied to any process. There is an inherent variation in any process which can be measured and controlled. SPC does not eliminate variation, but it allows the user to track special cause variation. SPC is a statistical method of separating variation resulting from special cause from natural variation, and to establish and maintain consistency in the process, enabling process improvement. 7 tools of quality: control chart, run chart, Pareto chart, flow chart, cause and effect diagram, and the scatter diagram. Variation in processes. First, common cause variation. The variation in which is inherent in the process itself when sampled in normal distribution is found. A process is said to be statistical control when only common cause variation exists. Kaduha kay special or assignable cause variation. The variation in process output that might be traced to a specific cause. The process is said to be out of control when a special cause variation exists. Mao ni rationale of SPC. Una kay control of variation, continuous improvement, predictability of processes, elimination of waste, product inspection. Nya mao ni nga sa ubos ang SPC methods control charts. Na siya. Special cost variation is assumed to exist if any point falls outside the control limits. 9 consecutive observations fall on one side of the mean. 6 consecutive observations are increasing or decreasing. 14 observations alternate above and below the mean. 2 of 3 consecutive points fall in zone C in one half of the chart. Plus kay 4 of 5 consecutive points fall in zone B in one half of the chart. Mao na yung mga risk of SPC karang nasa ubos no. Ano siya? Common control charts for variables and attributes. Mao na nasa ubos no. Ano variables and attributes. Sunod kay what SPC does not do. SPC only determines whether a process is in statistical control, not whether the process is producing within specifications, nor whether the process is even capable of producing within specification. Last kay we must rely on another measure after we have assured that the process is in control using SPC. Last kay acceptance sampling. The third branch of SQC refers to the process of randomly inspecting a certain number of items from a lot of batch in order to decide whether to accept or reject the entire batch. This is different from SPC because acceptance sampling is performed either before or after the process rather than during. Sampling before typically is done to supplier materials. Sampling after involves sampling finished items before shipment or finished components prior to assembly, and used where inspection is expensive, volume is high, or inspection is destructive. Mao lang to sa akong part sa interpretation of sensory results and statistical analysis.